G'day everybody, it's me, Professor Hill. Today I'm going to make nuka cola cherry, okay? This one is a little bit different than the others, okay? Use cherries. First, 1 cup of sugar. 1.5 cups of water. And especially 1 cup of cherries that are cut in half. Okay, you put this in. You put all of them in. Boil the hell out of it to the point the sugar is now gone. Then simmer it for 20 minutes. Okay? I'm going to quick forward this in 3, 2. Okay. After you let this boil and simmer, grab your bucket, airtight bucket, and your this thing. Food holder. You grab it and pour it in. Be careful, it's hot. Okay. Put the lid on it. So, then wait when it's cooled down and put it into an airtight container and stick in your fridge for 12 hours. Okay? Then I'll be showing you how to present it in a next video where I show all my nuka cola. Okay? And do taste tests with them. Okay? Bye.